What's going on, buddy, and welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, the front bumper is off, and that's because I had a shock tower failure in which allowed the front of the car to dip too much, and that's what ended up scraping the bumper. However, still back out. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Drop a like. We turned up the gearing, or went up a little bit more on the gearing. Want to see if the car can get some more mile per hour. I'm not sure what she'll do, because as I said, I'm trying to see if I can let this car be a bracket car. The chassis has kind of done its time, but we'll kind of see what we can get out of it. So still 132 feet test hits as usual. So drop a like, subscribe, and let's see. Yeah, so I turned the car down. Don't really have it up on top power because I changed the gearing, as I said, so I wanted to see what she'll do just with the gearing change. So we're gonna dial it in from here now and see how we can lower that down to at least a 3.6 this evening. So let's see, guys. So we got a 3.8 same way, guys. That's still 41 miles per hour. So what that is telling me now, I'm going too fast. What that is telling me now is that I need to turn up the power some more, because where the ramping is concerned, it's at its max. So we have to dial it and turn it up some more. So stay tuned. So guys, I went ahead and turned her down a little bit in the close to the back end of the track, and this is what she did. Got a 3.7 out of that, and as you can see, the acceleration, the RPM went down a little bit, which means I've got less wheel spin. So I'm not going to touch anything. I'm just going to do one more hit to back that up. Might go faster, might go slower. So we'll see, guys. So stay tuned. So that'll be the last hit for the day, guys. That'll be the last hit for the day, because I think the battery is dying. Let's see what she'll do now. Trying to get the tires nice and warm. Hopefully we'll increase the miles per hour. Alright, let's see, guys.